Hey everyone, welcome back to Men's Health 036. Picture waking up tomorrow with strong, natural erections like you had years ago. No pills, no gadgets, just a few minutes using your hands. I'm Dr. Sabrina, a seasoned urologist helping men boost their sexual health. Today, I'll share 3 simple spots on and around your penis that can bring back morning erections by improving blood flow, relaxing muscles, and waking up nerves. By the end, you'll know where these spots are, how to work them safely, and how often to do it for real results. Let's start with why this works. Erections happen when your brain, nerves, blood vessels, and muscles team up. Your brain or nerves send fast signals to the penis, telling its muscles to relax so blood can rush in and fill the erectile tissue, making it firm. Veins then trap the blood to keep the erection. As you age, especially after 50 or 60, blood vessels can stiffen from wear and tear, high blood pressure, or inflammation. Nerve signals also slow down, so those messages don't travel as well. This is why morning erections often fade. Pressing specific spots sends a wake-up call to your nerves, boosts blood flow, and strengthens pelvic muscles that support erections, helping you get and keep them more easily. Point 1. The base groove this spot is where your penis meets your pubic area, right at the base of the shaft. Feel for a slight dip or groove. It's like a hinge where the penis connects to your body. This area is full of nerves and blood vessels that control erections. How to do it? Put your thumb on the groove, with your fingers supporting the shaft's back. Make small, slow circles with medium pressure, not painful. You might feel warmth or tingling as blood flow picks up. If you don't feel much at first, keep going. It gets better with practice. Do this for 90 seconds every morning, ideally before getting out of bed or after a warm shower when tissues are relaxed. Over weeks, this can make your erectile tissue respond faster, helping restore morning erections. Point 2. The perineum. This is the soft spot between your scrotum and anus, often overlooked but key for erection strength. It sits above a muscle that traps blood in the penis during an erection, like a natural clamp. Stimulating this spot strengthens that muscle. How to do it? Sit or lie down with knees slightly apart. Use your index and middle fingers to press gently but firmly into the perineum center. Make slow circles for 2 to 3 minutes. You might feel warmth or a slight pulse as blood flow improves and muscles wake up. Tip: pair this with pelvic floor exercises like Kegels before or after for extra benefits. This strengthens the muscle, making erections feel fuller and more reliable over time. Point 3. The corona. This is the ridge just below the head of the penis, where the head meets the shaft. It's packed with sensitive nerves that send arousal signals to your brain and spinal cord. Stimulating it right can make arousal and erections easier. How to do it? Gently hold the corona with your thumb and forefinger. Lightly pinch for 5 seconds, then release. Repeat for 1 minute. Then, make slow circular motions around the ridge for another minute, keeping it gentle to avoid irritation. Why it works? This boosts nerve sensitivity, helping your body respond faster to arousal. Over time, regular stimulation can lead to stronger, more frequent morning erections and better sensitivity during intimacy. How to combine them for the best results? Do all 3 in this order daily. Base groove, 90 seconds. Small, steady circles to boost blood flow and nerve signals. Perineum, 2 minutes. Slow circles to activate pelvic muscles and improve circulation. Corona, 2 minutes. Pinch and release, then circular motions to sharpen nerve response. This sequence hits blood flow, muscle support, and nerve signals, all key for strong erections. It's like resetting your body's erection system, clearing slowdowns, and helping everything work smoothly again. What to expect? This isn't a quick fix. Your body needs time to retrain its nerves, blood vessels, and muscles. Many men notice small changes in 2 to 4 weeks, like warmer, fuller mornings or longer-lasting erections. For lasting results, pair this with healthy habits. Drink plenty of water to keep blood flowing, do pelvic floor exercises to strengthen muscles, and eat well to support your body. These steps make the pressure points work better, improving circulation and nerve response over time. You don't have to accept fading erections as part of aging. Your body can still respond. It just needs the right push. These safe, drug-free techniques can retrain your nerves, boost blood flow, and bring back morning confidence. Make this 5-minute routine part of your day and let me know how it goes. Your sexual health ties to your overall health, so every step you take here helps in the bedroom and beyond. Consult your doctor for medical advice. This video is for informational purposes only and not a substitute for professional care.